This bird is called Potu. Due to their haunting calls, they're also named as Poor Me Ones.
Cuidado, nos va a tirar yuta. ¡Ay, mi madre! ¡Ay, yo me voy! Ay.
A photographer captures a stunning time-lapse of Milky Way over Australia's east coast. This is what happens when you scratch the back of a Sphinx cat. This is what riding a sea breacher looks like. Well, they have taken the vehicle carrying capacity check on another level. They have a really cool trick to catch small fishes in a pond.
Okay.
A dog that has figured out his own exercise routine. This is what 80,000 watts bass speaker can do. That's it for today, guys. I hope this video put a smile on your face. Please like and share this video and don't forget to use the comment section. Bye bye.